Hi everyone, this is again Froilan from I2 Prime Realty. So now I am here once again in BF Homes and I'm very excited to feature another house today. And what's special about this house is it's a bungalow type, no? So ako personally, I like bungalow houses kasi it's very convenient, especially if you have seniors with you. Very convenient for them to move around, no? So ayun, samahan niyo ako as I tour you around this property. So dito pa lang sa entrance ng property, what I like about this is sobrang healthy ng lupa. Tignan nyo, meron siyang puno ng langka. So who doesn't like langka, 'di ba? Ako personally favorite ko 'yan. Ang sarap niyan sa halo-halo. So and bukod diyan, we also have avocado tree and yung mga trees it's surrounding the property. Kaya very refreshing yung vibe nitong bahay na to. So, when we step inside the house, this is the first. By the way, we have two entrance. So, dito yung daan for guests, pero for carport na dun sa kabila. So, we have gate dun sa kabilang side. And then, as we step inside the property, we have here, kung gusto nyo mag-stairs, pero we have ramp pathway here. Kasi yun nga, as I mentioned, this property is senior friendly. Kaya, ngayon, PWD friendly din. Kaya, the owner initiated to have this, no? Yung ramp natin. Okay? And then, this property, it gives you access sa palibot ng property without having to step out ng property. Meron tayong pathway, no? Tapos dito, ayan, nakikita nyo, centralized na yung compressor para sa ACs natin. And then, this property, by the way, meron siya mga solar panel. So, nandun yung control for solar panel natin. Then, we have solar panels doon sa may roof, sa may taas, no? Okay. So, now, let's go inside the property. So, now guys, before we step inside, let me remove my shoes as per request ng owner, no, to maintain the cleanliness ng house. Of course, we want that para sa bahay na ito. So, ayan, let's go in. Tara. Okay. So, as we step inside the house, this is what you will first see, no? So, we have the living area. And I like that it's high ceiling. Mataas din yung ceiling niya. It's a bungalow house. Mataas yung ceiling kaya malaki siya tignan. And then from the living area, it gives you enough space. So if you have your family and friends coming over, so this is where you will entertain them. So nandito din yung TV natin. And then from the living area, it gives you direct access going to the dining area. So ito yung dining area natin. And I like yung mga finishes. I like the furnitures used dito sa property. The furnitures, actually, yung mga appliances used dito came from Germany as because yung one of the owners dito is from Germany. Ayan, kaya maganda yung mga gamit and then yung mga furnitures. And then from the dining area, it gives you direct access also to the kitchen area. Ayan. And I like na merong island dito, no? So imagine you preparing your food for your family and friends coming over, no? And, you know, having chit-chat with them while you do the cooking here. And then, I forgot to mention, this property is also smart home, no? So, you can have the command kay Alexa to turn the lights, the AC, ganyan. So, let me give you a sample. So, dito, yung center light natin. Then, we have yung floor lamp, then yung lounge light natin. So if we turn on yung center light, for example, we can just simply say, Alexa, turn on the center light.
Okay.
See? That's how convenient it is to be living in this property kasi everything is, it's a smart home, no? And even the AC. So if you're just resting dun sa living area mo, you don't have to, stand up, look for the remote. Just simply say what you want Alexa to do. It will open automatically. Okay, so from here, dito sa kitchen area natin, ito yung way natin toward, by the way, before I forgot, Before I forget, dito sa my living area, we have the common toilet and bath. Ayan. So, when we turn on the lights, see, I like the lighting. It gives you enough space para sa maging toilet, common toilet and bath natin. Then, etong mirror, nag-iiba yung color niya. So, iba-iba yung mga colors, di ba? So, kung kayo medyo into, powder room nyo, maganda siyang initiative na ginawa ng owner. And ito yung center table. I personally like having this center table kasi, ayan, parang modern yung house, pero yung ginamit na furniture, mga wooden, I like having that furniture sa bahay, no? So now, from the living area, if you go to the bedroom side, ito naman yung first bedroom natin. Ito yung pinaka junior master's bedroom. So this is what you will first see inside this junior master's bedroom. It's also smart, no? So we have Alexa here. You can do the command if you want to turn on the lights, the AC, and it has its own toilet and bath. Ayan. So, we just haven't installed yet yung mirror na similar doon sa may common toilet and bath natin, but we will definitely install it dito. And then, ito yung junior master's bedroom, pero I like na open siya, no? Ayan. So, may panoramic view kayo dito. And another thing that I like about this house, so if you want more, privacy and for more convenience without having to pass by the living area para pumunta sa bedroom mo, meron na lahat ng mga bedroom parang sarili-sariling access kasi 'di ba, as I mentioned, may pathway na nakapalibot dito sa property. So, if you don't want to pass by the living area, pwede kang dumirect dito para pumasok sa bedroom mo. And that's also the same way doon sa kabilang bedroom. And then ito yung junior's master's bedroom. The bed here is queen size. Pero we have a bigger bedroom dito sa side na to. Ayan. Actually, what I like about it is meron siyang access dito sa labas, pero meron din siyang access dito. So, if this is the junior master's bedroom, you can convert it to gusto mo, dahil may connecting access siya, pwede to, maybe you convert it to your office, ganyan, para mas may convenience, no, na magiging access ka from your pinaka-master's bedroom. So, let's go to the master's bedroom. Okay. So, here's a bigger bedroom. So, dito naman, yung nilagay na bed is a king-size bed. So, definitely, this room is bigger. Pero similar to the first bedroom, ganun din. Meron din siyang sariling access dito. So, hindi nyo na kailangan dumaan sa living area. So, if you want to go straight to your room, nandito na yung access nyo. And from here, kita na rin natin yung for garage na carport natin. Ayan. So, makikita nyo, we have enough space para sa mga kotse nyo, no? So, it can fit up to 4 cars. So, from here, the main master's bedroom, it also has its own toilet and bath. So, it has the same finishes like the ones I showed you earlier. And all the bedrooms, they are all smart. Then, kasi nga, smart home, no? So, you can give the command para mas convenient for you to turn the ACs or the lights, ganyan. And then, next is this one. Ito yung isang bedroom natin. By the way, this is a total 4-bedroom na house, no? So, I showed you 2 already. And this is the 3rd bedroom. Temporarily, we have these cute pets over here. Mga tenants natin for now while they are waiting for you to move into your house. So they are the ones guiding or nagbabantay sa bahay nyo, no? Ayan. So this one, it can be used if you have kids, or maybe a guest room also. Can be that, or you can turn this to your office kung kailangan nyo yung two bedrooms doon. But this also has its own toilet and bath. Ayan. And then, ayan. There you go. Okay. And then lastly, guys, I want to show you, this is the fourth bedroom. I just can't open this right now because they turned it to storage temporarily. Pero it's a spare room, so can be a guest room or your kids' room, so whatever. And it also has its own toilet and bath, similar finishes with the ones I showed you. And I think let me just try to open this one. The main master's bedroom to like one big room, no? Kasi ito yung pinaka access natin without having to step out ng bedroom. Ayan. So let me show you again. Okay. There you go. So you can open this one, and from the main master's bedroom, you can get to the other bedroom, and yeah, you can turn this to your office. Ganyan, para it's one whole bedroom. But if you have like a lot of, things or stuff, pwede din itong maging big closet nyo or whatever, kung ano yung gusto nyo gawin. But yeah, that's the idea why the owner decided to have this access over here, para kung mas kailangan nyo ng mas malaking bedroom, this can be turned to just one big room. Ayan. So, ayun guys, I hope that you like this property, no? And I'm very, very excited if you get to see this ng actual. Kasi if you like the video already, pero syempre definitely it's better if you see it ng actual para mas ma-appreciate nyo. Ako personally, I like this property kasi it's very refreshing, it's very convenient, and especially if you're like me, if you want convenience for your family, para, ayun, everything is here already. You don't have to like go up kasi hindi na kailangan ng stairs. It's very convenient. Ayun, so yeah, I hope you like this house tour that we just did dito sa BF Homes. It's a bungalow house, again, with 4 bedrooms and 4 car garage. If you are interested to see this property, feel free to reach out to me, and I will be very happy to give you a tour dito sa property na ito. So ayun guys, thank you again for watching. This is Froilan John Idos from I2 Prime Realty, and I hope to see you very soon. Thank you. Bye.